Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to tune Dodge Viper on No Limit 2 only ways. Start by resetting tuning and testing baseline performance before any tweaks. Change only one parameter at a time, run a consistent 1-mile loop, and record lap times and telemetry. Prioritize traction improvements like suspension and differential before adding power. Small, deliberate changes yield predictable gains and help you learn cause and effect in tuning. Warm up the car, then tune the drivetrain for the track profile and your driving style. Shorter ratios improve acceleration but may cap top speed, so balance for each course. Stiffen the differential to stabilize corner exits and soften it for technical tracks with frequent direction changes. Make small turbo and clutch adjustments to protect temperatures and maintain controllable power delivery through long runs. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make garage cleanup effortless after long tuning sessions. It saves time so you can tune more laps with less hassle. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on suspension balance to unlock consistent lap times and predictable handling. Lower the car until you detect occasional rubbing, then slightly raise to avoid damage. Stiffen springs and anti-roll bars progressively to control roll while monitoring tire wear. Add rear downforce to stabilize high-speed sections, and trim front aero to fine-tune understeer versus oversteer. Test each change in sequence to understand its effect on overall balance and grip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.